In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and delete an event from your Google Calendar. Whether you're tidying up your schedule or simply making room for other important tasks, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate over to Google Calendar. You can do this by simply typing Google Calendar into your search engine and selecting the appropriate link, or by entering calendar.google.com directly in the address bar. Once there, you will be greeted with your calendar displaying all of your events and appointments. Now, to proceed, look for the option labeled Today near the top of the page. Clicking on this will immediately bring you to your current day's appointments and events. It's a quick way to ensure you're looking at the most relevant information. Next, you'll want to focus on the arrow icon, often depicted as a drop-down. Clicking this arrow will give you a variety of views to choose from. For our purpose today, we're going to select Day. This view is particularly useful because it allows you to focus on the events scheduled for a single day, giving you a detailed look at all the activities you have lined up. With your day's schedule in view, find the specific event that you wish to delete. Click on this event and a detailed pop-up will appear, providing more information about it. This is where you can make changes to the event details if needed, or, for today's purpose, prepare to remove it. Now, with the event details in view, look around for the trash icon, which is typically found in the event detail pop-up. Clicking on the trash icon will initiate the deletion process. This step is crucial as it effectively removes the event from your schedule. It's worth noting here that if the event is part of a series of recurring events, you may be prompted to choose whether to delete just the single occurrence or the entire series, so be deliberate with your choice. And that's it. Your event is now deleted from your Google Calendar. Remember, organizing your schedule can make a significant difference in your productivity. Frequently revisiting and updating your calendar ensures that you are keeping up with your commitments and priorities. This completes today's guide on managing your Google Calendar events. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.